Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back to 12 Days of Luxury. Today is day number 5, and today I'm going to be bringing you some amazing vintage Gucci items that I was able to score. So I'm excited to bring you this on 12 Days of Luxury. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Once you subscribe, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a video. So let's just go ahead and jump into day number 5. Okay, so went on a little Gucci ridiculousness. I don't know. I just went through a situation where I was just on the hunt for Gucci items. And yeah, so if you've seen one of my previous videos, you know that I was looking for a particular fanny pack, and how I got when I got the fanny pack, it ended up being fake. Well, lo and behold, and I'll make sure to link that video in the description box so you can see that one. But lo and behold, I was actually able to find the fanny pack, an authentic one, and this fanny pack actually ended up costing less than the original one. So love this. It's small, you guys, I ain't gonna lie. It is something that I would wear crossbody. Trying to see if I can do this on camera. Oh wait. But anyway, I would wear this crossbody. I don't know if I would actually wear it as a fanny pack. I probably would. But this is something that I would wear when we're traveling. And you know, when you're traveling and you're already at your destination and you're, you know, doing a little bit of shopping, you really only need a couple credit cards, some lip gloss, things like that. That's what I would use this for. Just, you know, something to, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, something to just put small items in. But yeah, I was able to find this bad boy. Can you see it? I think I paid $120 for it. So this was a steal for me, because I really wanted this particular one. I don't know why. I just was fixated on this one. And I love the pink color. It's different. You usually find either all black or the black with the green. I do like the green, this part, the waistband part being green. But like I said, this one was unique and amazing. So yeah, that's number 1. The second item I got, you guys, I don't know where I got it. I ain't gonna lie, it looked cute. It came with a strap that I have since removed. But I just took my chances on this one. I kind of feel like Gucci is bringing back their vintage pieces. And so this is kind of one of their vintage styles. So I was like, I believe that this was like $40. And so I was like, I'm gonna just take a chance and get it. I love it. It's cute. I am trying to find a better strap. The strap that it came with was like real thin and real short. If I can find a picture, I will insert it here. It was just a little too short for me, and so I've since got rid of the strap. I don't even know what I did with it. Hopefully I didn't throw it away, but yeah, so I'm looking for another strap. It is authentic, you guys. If you know Gucci like I do, this is authentic. So anyway, got this one, love it. Okay, and then this amazing piece reminded me of their Gucci Ophidia. I hope I'm saying that right. But the Gucci Ophidia clutch. I'm probably murdering that, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So I was able to snag this bad boy, actually picking my daughter up or dropping her off at UGA, and got this from an amazing vintage store called Angora Vintage. The owner of that store is amazing. She is a sweetheart, is usually always at her store. So yeah, was able to snag this bad boy. Love it. It is oversized. It is probably, looks like a legal size document situation. So it's very, very cute. I do believe that the original one came with something here, like probably the Gucci little whatever. But yeah, I just thought that was cute and unique, so I snagged that on up. And then actually got this one. The battery's about to die, so hopefully I can get through this. So I actually got this one. I thought that it was the same size as my passport, but it's actually the old size passport. So yeah, this is too big, but this is just a cute little wallet. Okay, so hopefully I can get through without having to record this. This is the best. I saved the best for last, you guys. I was able to snag this amazing piece. This is vintage. They actually brought this one back out. It is called the Gucci Supreme Medium Shoulder Bag, and I was able to snag this bad boy for like $240, and then it retails, same exact bag, for $1,690. So love this. It does have the vintage strap, so it's like the what do you call it, so you like switch it up to make it longer or shorter. The newer bag does have a different strap, but it's the exact bag, you guys, the exact bag. So I love this thing. I'm so happy I was able to grab this, and I'm going to start using it. So my battery is about to die, so I'm going to have to take a short little break. But I love you guys. I hope you are enjoying, like I said, the 12 days of luxury, day number 5. And I hope you liked my Gucci bags. I don't know if I can link any of them. If I can, or find anything similar, I will make sure to link them in the description box. Yeah, and make sure you look at the description box so you can see the other video where I got the fake Gucci fanny pack. So yeah, you can see what I'm talking about. So love you guys. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Mwah. Isn't this thing bomb? Bomb.com. You hear me? Love it. Love, love, love. All right.